Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí baila. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my March update for lip service. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab, and of course I'm going to have everyone listed down below. Yes, I still have, I keep getting the funk. My family keeps getting the funk, so my voice is a little scratchy. I kind of feel like Phoebe Buffay when she does Smelly Cat, but you know, it is what it is. Lip service, PANtastic Ladies. Everyone down below, year-long project. It's all about different lip products, and it is just basically a rolling project pan. And yeah, you finish something, you roll something else in. That is the basic premise of this. It is no pressure whatsoever. You work at your own pace. You finish what you can. I have 2 empties this month. I'm very, very happy about that. I kind of knew I would have these 2 empties if I really worked hard on them, which I did in this past month. So I am happy to show you my 2 empties. The first one is from the Sephora Colorista palette. This was kind of like a clear lipstick, lip gloss kind of texture with glitter in it. The glitter texture was a little chunkier than I liked. I did use it, and it wasn't a bad color, but I felt like the glitter was just a little too big to where, like, you go like that and you could actually feel the glitter on your lips, and it's not a good feeling for me. The Givenchy number 4 lip gloss, I finished that. I scraped out as much as I could with it being square. It's hard to get in there. It's so short, so you can't really get much of like the scraper in there. This was difficult from the word go. The color I thought was really, really nice. I did not like the formula of this. It was very thin, and the brush was horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. It's just too short, and it doesn't feel good applying, so I'm so glad that is done. Let me show you what I am still working on, which is rolling over to the next month. The first is the Avon lipstick adjuster. I had pan in both of them, the baby pan, and the blue pan is expanding just a little bit. I am finding that I actually like that under the next product that I'm going to show you. That is the Tarteiest Birthday Suit Lip Paint. I like to put the blue down and then put this over top of it. It deepens it up and cools it a little bit. It almost gives you like that cool grayish look, and it looks good with some of the darker eyes that I do. Not that I do those very often, but I don't wear liquid lipstick very often, so every now and again, I think it's okay. I can't see any big progress on this, but I have used it, I'd say probably a handful of times in the last month, so that's pretty good for me in liquid lipsticks. Let's see, what else do we have here? I am going to show you the ones that I don't have to show you on paper first. This is the Fresh Sugar Dream Advanced Lip Therapy. Y'all know I love this. I love it. I don't think I would repurchase it though, just because it is crazy expensive, but it feels nice. I was at this red line last time. Here's where I am now. I don't know that I will have this finished by the next update. I'm pretty certain I won't have it finished, because this is one of those things that, even though I have a ton of other lip balms and stuff, I like this so much, I will dig this one out. Yep, I will. So that's probably going to be in for a little bit longer. Let's get on to the lipstick that I added last time. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge in C211. I do have that on my lips today, and I have topped it with a little eyeshadow. And this is from the Sephora Colorista palette, and I do have it in my Birthday Era Project pan. So that is what is on my lips today. Let me show you how much product is left. It's tiny. Yeah, it was tiny to begin with. Let me get it to the plastic. And you can see my marks right here. I was at this bronzy color, and now I'm at the red. See if I can line this up. Here we go. I'm enjoying this a lot, an awful lot. It's a little drier because it is a matte, but I don't think it's as dry as like a liquid lipstick, but it definitely will dry out my lips. I cannot wear it all day long. So, yeah, I will have to put something else on my lips with it or before or after it. But I love the color. I really love the color. And I have another one of those in my collection because Sephora Play likes to send me duplicates of things. All right, the e.l.f. lip liner and blending brush. We don't care about the brush, do we? Nope, we care about the lip liner. And here are my progress lines. I was here last time. I'm down here. Let me roll this bad boy up. That is all I have left. And I have lipstick on my hand. Go figure. So yeah, that's what I got left. I am pretty darn certain this is going to be done by the next update. It will probably even be done this month, which that's nice because I have plenty more lip liners. I'm one of those people that just really enjoys a good lip liner and a good lip gloss. That is my go-to. I am really trying to work on my other lip products, but lip liners and lip gloss, that's my jam right there. All right, the last one I'm going to show you that's a rollover is the Nudestix Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the color Kiss. I've been wearing this a ton lately. I had to sharpen it because it was all the way down to the plastic. And this is my progress right here. I feel pretty good about it. The yellow is where I was last time, and this is my progress right there. The part that is not yellow. And I feel pretty good about that progress. So I'm just going to keep working on this. I know this will still be here next month. A little bit goes a long way. It's very opaque and it doesn't take a lot to really get the color on your lips. So yeah, it'll be here, but I am enjoying it a lot. I wear it a ton. With any warm look, that's pretty much my go-to right now. All right, so I finished two. I finished the little pan and I finished the Givenchy lip gloss. However, I'm only going to roll in one thing this month because I'm pretty happy with what I have. I just want a little bit more on the cool side. I've got a lot of neutral to warm, and really this is the only cool that I have, and I want to add this lipstick pan in. This is from the Sephora Colorista palette, never been touched, though it looks like it got like a little flake of eyeshadow or something on there. But, you know, we'll work with that. It's not like I don't put eyeshadow on my lips anyway. So, that is the only thing I am adding in this month. I really hope to have this done by the next update. I am banking on having both of these done by the next update. That is my goal. If I can finish 2 things every month, that would be awesome. But even if I only finish one thing, I am good with that. I am good with that. I am dropping my numbers. I am reapplying as needed. I'm not forgetting to reapply anymore like I used to. I keep some things in here. I keep some things out in the kitchen because I spend a ton of time in my kitchen. And I actually do keep stuff in my kids' room because that's where I fold laundry. And yeah, I find that if I keep things in the 3 main places in the house that I spend my most time, I reapply. If my lips start to feel a little bit dry, I reapply. My lips are happy. My stash is getting smaller, and that makes me happy, and it's all good. It is all good. So I suggest if you guys are doing this project, make sure you're either carrying your products around so you can reapply, or like if you're a stay-at-home mom like me, put it in the places where you need to be. And here comes my kids. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to have the PANtastic Ladies that have joined in listed down below, so go check them out and show them some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.